Hey guys, my name is Pranav, and the IFB asking machine started to be error code DLER. That's mean the situation is not opening the door. So I don't know. Now start. Now the door still locked. I don't know what to do now. So let's stop all this. I should now do this. This happens like sometimes happen like this. This error code doesn't have, and spin cycles just finished it, and it started to be error code like this. Now the door is not opening the door is not opening the door, and machine is very old. So I'll start this now. Okay, subscribe my channel. Bye.